Out of the ashes of the most devastating real estate crisis, finally emerges hope and a solution for all current and future homeowners and those affected by foreclosure. Never before has there ever been a model for home ownership that puts you in complete control of your money, your home, your income, and your financial destiny. Until now, there has never existed a process that defines a strategic and systematic plan for successful home ownership that addresses and protects your total financial condition. The new book, New Rules of Home Ownership for the 21st Century, has all the answers, plans, and strategies you will need to navigate through this new world of home ownership. Written by J. Varney Barker, a former president and CEO of various real estate, land development, and construction companies, Barker is an expert on successful home ownership. In his new book, Barker offers powerful strategies to enable any homeowner or potential buyer to achieve successful home ownership, income acceleration, complete mortgage and debt elimination, and retirement security. The book shares plans leading to an integrated and easily understood system for sustained economic security. This book is a must-read. For more information, go to jvarneybarker.com. New Rules of Home Ownership for the 21st Century. The plan and answers you need for home ownership.